This maintenance and repair video for the excavator will ensure that your machine is always in good working condition. This machine is equipped with a single-barrel air-cooled gasoline engine. First of all, this is the oil drain screw for the engine. This is the air filter for the engine, the intake filter. Unscrew this to access the oil filling port and the oil dipstick. There are two lines marked with different levels on the oil dipstick, representing the lowest level and the highest level. The amount of engine oil added is at the middle upper position. The drain screw for the hydraulic oil is located on the left side of the machine, at the bottom of the hydraulic tank. If you need to add hydraulic oil, please remove the footpad and open the cover below. This is an oil level gauge for hydraulic oil. When refueling, slide the seat forward. Unscrew the screws underneath the seat. This is the fuel tank and the fuel filling port. If you need to check the circuit or battery issues, you need to open the cover plate beneath the footpad. After unscrewing the screws, you can then open the cover plate. This is the location where the 12-volt battery is placed. The red wire is the positive pole line and the black wire is the negative pole line.